Greetings once again, and I am George Koshy for Media Associates International. COVID-19 had changed the life of everyone drastically. Communication process was also forced for some changes. Today, I am sharing with you the story of such a change. During this pandemic season, my church had to face several problems when we went out to share the gospel. Nobody was willing for a face-to-face discussion. Nobody would come if we arrange a gospel meeting. People are not willing even to accept a gospel booklet. Plus, there were several other restrictions from the government authorities. Then we were forced to come out of the box and go for a paradigm shift. The idea of QR code gospel tracts came to our mind in this context. QR code, as we know, it is an abbreviation of Quick Response Code. When you scan the QR code using your QR code reader in your smartphone, it leads you to a website or YouTube or to a destination where you have already stored the information or your message. Almost all the major market products are getting promotions through QR codes. They are an integral part of advertisements today. We thought of making use of this technology to share the gospel. I tell you what we had done. Defending coronavirus is the burning topic today all over the world. And in India, we had a special slogan for this operation titled, Break the Chain. Break the chain means to bring out a breach in the chain of transmission of the disease germs. You prevent the transmission of the disease germs of a person's body to another, keeping certain distance, wearing the mask, and also cleaning the hands frequently with sanitizers. The phrase break the chain is very familiar to everyone because of the systematic publicity strategy. So we prepared a gospel message sharing about break the chain of the body, soul, and spirit of a person. We used several animations and illustrations in between. How to break the chain of sin and Satan was the ultimate message. We shot this message and posted it in our website. Then we prepared a small tract in the size of a playing card with just 3 thought-provoking sentences. You have more chains to break. There are some chains you can't break with just sanitizer, mask, social distancing. Scan this QR code to know the vital secrets for survival. Along with that, we gave the QR code to connect them to the video message. The QR code tract is ready. We printed a few thousands of these QR code tracts and distributed in hospitals since it acts also as a health tip. We distributed this QR code tract through digital platform also. It was well received. When God closes one door, He opens another. Let us open our eyes wide to see the enormous opportunities around us. God bless you to find out several big ideas for Christian communication. Thank you.